E46. We basically will start with safely jacking up the car so that it's comfortable to be under it. The higher you do it, the better for you working under it, obviously. I'm not gonna show how I'm jacking up the car because it's obvious, but I do use these ramps for the front and I'm gonna use the jack stands for the back. And let's start. 10 socket, 13 wrench, 13 socket, 15 socket, 18 wrench. I have two just in case, and 18 socket. I don't have 18 socket, but I don't think it will affect me by any means. I can still do things without it. So normally you would disconnect your exhaust right here, but because I don't have exhaust catalytic converters, so I just kind of like have a custom exhaust. I'll have to drop this front plate. Not a big deal, just a couple 60mm here and there. I'll drop it and then we'll continue to proceed to the exhaust. Okay, now I have taken the cover plate off, and I can start unbolting the exhaust and moving it out of the way. I'm not gonna unbolt this O2 sensor. I'm just gonna basically put something here and let it sit on it, because the cable, actually I might have to unbolt it, but it's fine, not a big deal. Exhaust from the back, there is one here and one there, and then we'll move over there. The exhaust is dropped, the other end is sitting on a stand. This part is right here, and that's where we need to get. So now we're gonna drop the heat shield, and it should be easy from here. Watch out, a lot of garbage will fall into your eyes if you're not gonna be careful. There's a lot of garbage in there. Oh, here we go. Here's the beauty. Broken gibo. That one is shot too. It's not gonna work. Fuck. I put it on neutral so I can rotate it. First drive shaft will come out. Bolted this bolt. Now I'm unbolting this shot center mount. I had to go to the store and buy one, 80 bucks, because it was also bad. All of that is bad. Drive shaft is out. Continuing with these bolts. Good to have two 18s for this job. Basically, this is what it looks like now. It's all shut. The arrows should go towards the transmission for the installing one. These tools to get into this ring get it out. So I basically tapped it out. The bearing is still good, but of course bearing is good, but not everything else is crap. So it's time to get a new one. The way it goes is this way, because you can see there's difference. There is difference. Install the new one. Basically very easy. Just tap that old one out after you remove that compression ring. Slide this one in again, tap it in. If you can't really tap it in easily, you can use old bearing from the old one, kind of like put it this way, and gently with a hammer you can tap it. Look at this error pointing. That arrow points there when you install new flex disc, like that. So it's already night, and I just now finished putting the exhaust back. Damn it. So everything should be fine. And all brand new stuff over there. No, you don't see shit here, but pardon my French. But that's it. Basically that's it. I'll put this plate in here and it's all done.